Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn for the TOEFL exam. To begin, it's crucial to understand the test structure. The TOEFL IBT assesses your English proficiency across 4 key sections: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Familiarizing yourself with the format and question types for each section is your first step. Then, create a realistic study schedule, perhaps dedicating 1 to 2 hours daily, to ensure consistent progress and effective time management. For the reading section, focus on academic articles and practice identifying main ideas and supporting details. For listening, actively engage with English audio, like podcasts or lectures, and hone your note-taking skills. A strong vocabulary is also key. Aim to learn between 3,000 and 5,000 academic words. Consistent exposure and active engagement will significantly boost your comprehension in both areas. To excel in speaking, practice responding to prompts aloud, perhaps for 45 seconds to 1 minute, and record yourself to review your fluency and pronunciation. For writing, focus on structuring clear, well-supported arguments for the independent essay, aiming for around 300 words. Also, master summarizing and synthesizing information from provided sources for the integrated writing task, typically around 200 words. Finally, consistent practice and thorough review are paramount. Take several full-length practice tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment, which lasts about 3 hours. After each test, meticulously review your answers to understand where you went wrong. Seeking feedback from native English speakers or experienced tutors can also provide invaluable insights and help refine your skills further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.